Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Paul. In this video, I am excited to share my new experience of designing and sewing my own handkerchief or asymmetrical dress. I will walk you through the detail of why I chose this silhouette and how it complements my body type. As I mentioned before, my height is 153 cm. Designing this outfit was a personal experiment for a petite frame aimed at ensuring it not only suit my size, color preferences but also prioritize my comfort. Comfort is key for me because it gives me the confidence to walk tall, feel good in what I wear. I documented my whole design process and even tried on the outfit because I understand many of you struggle of finding a correct balance between a comfort and the style. This video and the design process serves as a reference for those who share a similar body type to me and are looking for tips on how to style their outfit to be more flattering. One of the key feature of this dress is the asymmetrical or a handkerchief hemline, which create an illusion that can help camouflage your height. Why we call as handkerchief hemline? Because it's having a square piece of fabric and scoop out from the middle in the shape of your waist and attach it to your bodies. And as you can see in this picture, the entire hemline is uneven. If you are on the shorter side, consider wearing high waist bottom or ensure that the hemline in a one piece dress is higher to elongate your lower torso. Although I typically do not feel comfortable wearing sleeveless, but here while designing I felt this will look good in a sleeveless in a sleeveless outfit. So I cleverly incorporate that sleeveless into an in-cut sleeve. I hope many people know what is in-cut sleeve is. If you do not, then please follow me. Okay, so here our why we call sleeveless. First of all, sleeveless is when you doesn't have sleeve is called sleeveless, and in-cut means the armhole will be way above than your natural armhole, so your shoulder will be seen, your skin and a shoulder will be seen more than unusual. So that's why it's called as in-cut sleeve, where you can see in this picture my shoulder is more visible. So that's why it's called as an in-cut sleeve. Why I use this in-cut sleeve? Because I have a shorter shoulder than a standard measurement, and even I have a very droopy shoulder. So if I wear sleeveless, my shoulder is enhanced and be more prominent that I have a shorter shoulder, and so I put it in cut so my skin and my body part is seen a little bit, so it give an illusion to that okay fine, my shoulder is a normal and it looks flattering too. So it creates, basically it helps to create the illusion of a wider shoulder. Lastly, part of this dress is the pocket, which is must have in most of my outfit. I understand this is having a volume at the bottom, but still I want to have a pocket to be functional basically. So when I try it on, it fits well, so you can see here. So it's gel well with the dress. As of now that I have broken down the design of this outfit, you can see why each element is crucial in enhancing your overall look. Understanding how different features can complement your body type and comfort preference is essential when selecting your outfit. I hope this breakdown provides you the valuable insight and a guidance for many making stylish and flattering choice in your wardrobe. Before I wrap this up, I wanted to mention that you can find this type of designs with customizations, your length, sleeve, or you want to add pocket, and especially for the petite frame, you can find this type of designs in this customized fashion brand called House of Supr. They are an e-commerce brand, and they give customizations like your own sizes. You can put your own measurement, you can have add sleeve, you can increase the length as per your comfort. I will put the link below, so you can just go and browse and have a look to it. But I want to clarify this is not a promotional video. Neither I'm promoting this. It's simply a suggestion that might helpful for those of looking for an outfit that suits your petite frame, because I bought a few of the designs from them, and it's pretty good and comfortable, and the fabric is really awesome. Thank you for joining me on this journey of designing and styling for a petite body type. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confidence. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fashion tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish. Thank you.